You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name that I know confuses a lot of people. That's because it's of German origin, so we need to learn from the German origin, and it's also a Dutch name, pronounced in German as well as in Dutch, I believe. Elke, how to pronounce, meaning noble in German. Elke, how to pronounce. Elke, in English pronunciation, Elke. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.